just wanted to show a quick screencast showing some tips and tricks for Google Docs and Google Slides. And I'm going to be presenting from Google Slides, but these are pretty much the same tips for Google Docs as well. The first thing here, some people will start presenting, they have really good eyes, and their screen looks something like this, where you can't see any of this stuff going on at the top, okay? Change your screen resolution. Zoom in one resolution probably further than you probably need. So do that by pressing Control Shift plus, all right? And just know that when you press Control Shift 0, that changes your screen resolution back to 100%. Screen resolution is different than using Control plus and Control minus to change the screen size. So resolution changes the sizing of everything, all right? So zoom in your screen resolution. As far as working in a Google slide, if you press Control Alt and minus or plus, it changes the size of your screen that you're working in this piece, all right? If you do Control Alt and left bracket, which is right next to the letter P, it makes it zoom fit. The same thing is for a Google Doc. And this is another tip. Don't navigate to a page that you knew you were going to go to. If I knew, well, I did know. I know I was going to go to Google Docs. I should have had that tab already opened. But you'll see right now I'm zoomed at 100%. If I press Control Alt, left bracket, it goes to fit. Let me get rid of this outline thing here. And now I can zoom fit. All right, Control Alt plus or minus will zoom out or zoom in. Control Alt left bracket will zoom fit. All right, next on the list, hide your menus. I don't need all of this, okay, unless I'm showing kids how to do things in here. Control Shift F, get rid of all that. Oh yeah, I'm getting some nice space there now. All right, get rid of your bookmark bar. Control Shift B. All right, stop looking at my extensions. I might want to keep the Screencastify one open so I can turn this off. Make your workplace nice and easy to look at. All right, you can even remove your ruler if you want to. The speaker notes. If you don't leverage the speaker notes, this is going to be really difficult to do if I remove my bar here. So let me bring that back. You can turn off your speaker notes. It's under View. I actually use my speaker notes, so I never turn them off, but you can see that it does make a difference in the screen size there. All right, I'm going to turn my back on because that's usually how I work. Zooming in and out with Control plus and Control minus is actually, it's like the opposite of what you want to happen. If I want to zoom in on this document, I actually have to press Control minus, and it will make everything smaller, and then this slide just fills the space. So that's a nice way to show almost like you're in full screen. You still want access to your tabs, and then it puts your slide deck on the side here that you can still access. So that's just Control plus and minus, and then Control 0 gets you back to 100%. All right. As you start building out your slides, please add variety to your slides. So for example, change the background color to something different. Throw in some, I gotta pull this out a little bit here. Throw in some Bitmojis if you want to, all right? Make sure they're appropriate. But if you install the Bitmoji extension, you can just take these guys and drag them down, all right? And there they are. So it just makes it easy for kids to follow which slide you're on if your slides all look a little bit different, all right? And you can do that with backgrounds, text boxes, pictures, and things like that, all right? Pull out the tab. So you don't want this tab existing in 30 other tabs, all right? Just pull out the tab and just work from that tab. It just makes it a lot easier to follow. I'm not distracted by all 50 of your tabs, all right? And likewise, if you're gonna have a couple tabs open, all right, right down here, this last one, tab your tabs. So put one finger on Control. I'm gonna use my left thumb, and I'm gonna use my index finger to tap the tab button, and now I can tab through all these different tabs. All right, it makes it a little bit more seamless instead of just moving my cursor up to that other tab. Keep in mind, if I do tab to a new tab, I can press Control Shift Tab